spot to. I wanna get with you, yeah. I wanna get them out of the picture, yeah. I'm in my vision, yeah. You spot the difference, yeah. Me, I'm never acting shady. You will always be my baby.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm D if you're new, and today we have a sponsored video. We've been sent over some lights from an Amazon company. Two little strips. The last lights I was sent was from a different company. I put them in my closet, but these lights I'm gonna put under the cabinet in the kitchen. So these are sensor motion LED lights, and they are black. They come in black and silver. I'll have all the details in the description box about these lights, and I'll have the name of the company on the screen. Y'all already know. I'll have on the side. I'll scroll and show y'all more about the company on Amazon and everything. All right, y'all, we are at my desk, and I'm about to open up the lights. Tearing up the box. Okay, this is how the light, this is how it comes packaged. Pull it out. Probably the same like the other ones. So this is the light. And I'm pretty sure this is the double-sided, yeah, this is the double-sided stick things that make them stick. This is the black. Like I said earlier, you can get this in black or you can get it in silver. I like how thin and sleek it is. I'm gonna have to charge these up. Where's the charging thing? That would be good to find. It got an auto, off, on. Okay. On, and then it got an auto. So off, on, and then auto. So auto, I already know when you put it on auto, that's for the motion sensor, for it to go, you know, when you send somebody in the kitchen or whatever. And then here is, right here is where you charge the light. Like I said, these are the double-sided things that stick them to the cabinet. This is the other one, and charger is decent. And here is the charger, so you will need a USB end to charge the lights. So let me take this in the kitchen and let's try it out. Y'all, go to stick the sticky thing on the lights. You stick this part on the light, and then this part goes onto the surface that you're going to stick it on. So this part goes here, and then this part gets to peel off and goes to stick to whatever surface that you're going to stick the light to. So let's go ahead. Right, so I have peeled the blue stick off, and now I have to peel this part off, and we can go on to the kitchen. So that's how it sticks.
Your boys, baby, I ain't never wanted you to stay. Just wanted you to show me. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby.
I'll show y'all the different settings. Y'all are interested in just testing it out, seeing how it would be if you add under lighting to your cabinets or your closet or your bathroom, anywhere in your house. This is something quick and easy that you can do to just upgrade your space, to make it look a little more elevated in your kitchen, your closet, your walk-in closet, or anything like that. All the links and the information will be down below. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another one. Bye.